to the feature. If we determine there is a mad dog, we may pull a mad dog and send them to the feature as well. Top 5 are guaranteed a spot in the feature. Huge thank you to Bob Mark for loading us our wonderful loader. We've got sticks up all the way around. Here we go. Let's count them down, guys, from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green flag.
All the drivers are coming in from the grandstand start. We got that number 7 Big Mac looking for our target. There's a mixed delivery if I've ever seen one. Big hit by the 0-0 on the 44. Lots of swings and misses so far. They were going to line up big shots. 31 finding in the 9-14. Swing and a miss by Mitch Cook in that Big Mac attack. We got a black flag on the 118. Says I'm hungry for that Big Mac. I would like a taste. Big pile up in the middle of the ring between the 7, the 0-0, and the 3-3-7. Big hit by that 9-14 on the swing car, down the ring on number 5. Yeah, wheels, red flag, drivers, red flag. 2, 1, green flag, let's go. 5-1 flies his mark on the 3-3-7 car. Big shot on the 44 on that Big Mac, starting to look more like a McDouble. Some ground. Two for one special for that 3-3-7, catching the 44 senior in the 9-14. stock compact still in motion. We got 2 under the count. Finds his mark on the 314 car. Certainly that stretch out over. The 337 car sounded like his top loader is just about done. Doing burnouts in his own tire, getting counted out as we got 4 stock compacts still in motion. The cat and mouse game starts to begin. Red flag, drivers, red flag, red flag. Red flag is out. We got our 5 cars moving on to the feature.